Welcome back to Wrld TV. I'm know to see title now there the bad movie and I wanna call Betrayal by Friend. People, I just want to take your time out, sit back, relax, you understand, get your popcorn, get a glass of water, get your cheese chip, I don't know, just get some drinks. Anything you normally get while you watch a movie, just kick back and relax and watch a movie at the end. Tell a friend about Wrld TV and tell them about the new movie we are about to watch now. So just watch a movie at the end as I say and continue to support the team. You understand? Big up on yourself. You understand? Make sure you watch it to the end.
Betrayal by friend. Betrayal by friend. The dirty people them with friend like needs who need enemies. Dirty Jimmy a one like him real and a play mind game with Andre but him is so innocent. Him me want Jimmy about him. Dirty styles them but him not here Roger. Tell Jimmy but him no care and me tell about these hypocrites. Betrayal by friend. I bet. Betrayal by friend.
Yes, Father God. Thank you, Jesus. Look how last year, nothing ever did that go on for me. I know me I make money like a wow. People think of water, but I know water with wow. A big girl me a knock you know. Nobody can give me no chat, you know. Cause last year one time me did a suffer, you know. A big disrespect me get, you know.
Jimmy, what?
There, Kim.
What going on?
Kim, you know see what going on?
Missy, what going on? Yes, I come to talk to you about because I hear you for your high horses around here.
Then if me I make money, Kim, what you expect? The
Yeah.
horse go low?
Me ask you one question. Who make you make money?
Andre.
Exactly. And me I talk to you for other day. So something you do me no like. One time you broke. We don't have food on the table, nothing we don't have. Remember me now have work, you know. And Andre me can make money so you can maintain me till me get a work, you know. I am surrounded with Andre woman. Me no like them something that me I talk to you over you now stop.
Sis, me love you, you know. We have the same mother and the same father, you know. But I know me one love it, you know. And I love it, you know, which is Andre woman, you know. Andre don't know nothing about this wagwan, sis. So keep silent.
Keep silent but one, me no like it. Me can't go to Andre and say nothing, you know, because you're my brother. Yeah, mess around with the Andre woman. And he make you have money. And him look what gear.
So
Remember say your friend, you know? Yeah, him a saw.
eh? So how Anna na vomit and you a puke? Sis, just relax.
Me talk to you about this over and over.
Sis, me love you, you know. But you know, go and go tell Andre. Go and go tell him now. You know, see how we are live. Last year we did a struggle, now we are hold money. Look how much money I have a bank and you not work. You work? No.
Alright, listen to me. Jimmy, me not gonna be one to tell Andre, you know. Me not gonna be one to tell him. But yeah, my brother, I mean, I want nothing bad happen to you. And me just so tell us what you do, you know, right. You know, too late to stop, you know. You know, look good for your sexy friend, woman. And Andre make you have things today, and me tell you if you tell her that.
Sis, calm down. Stop being a fool of yourself. Mommy and daddy never raised no idiot.
Obviously, it look like you raised one. Because we never have anything and Andre take you up off of your face and put it back by your foot.
We have something I know, sis. Look, Anna na complain, no? You don't think Anna love it?
Whether she love it, yes or no, Jimmy, it don't right. It don't look good.
Sis, see. I'm a response here. Hold on this, sis. Me get a call. Yes, Anna?
Babe,
What's up?
today, you know, send me over my yard and I want to see you. You can come give me a link.
Alright,
My man
B.
are there and gone for the road and I want to see you. I want to talk to you about something. Come check me.
Alright,
Check me now.
alright, B. Don't say road. I'm going to reach faster than fast.
Alright, babe.
Yeah. You hear that?
Jimmy, you know, say, me no like what you do. Me no like what you do. You're my brother and me love you and one thing me I tell you. Just be careful. Me not have nothing more to say about it.
Money talk and bullshit walk. I go wind up in a Anna belly now. Money talk. Anna baby! Kim,
Uncle Jimmy, what?
me there, man, you good?
Yeah, me alright. You alright?
Yeah, man. You know, how school? You go school today?
No, school not keep today. Mama say a graduation time, so on and off.
Oh, so how you go now?
Practice down in a Negro town.
Over here they come from?
Yes, Uncle Jimmy.
One thing do you know, Kim. Me love how your father treat you and have you grow, you know. Your father take care of you, you know.
Yes.
Right now, me don't even say you alone. Cause your father make sure say everybody alright. Right now your father make me money, you know. When me can't take care of even all my sister to my family, them and my friend them right
So that
now.
not good, Uncle Jimmy, and him my friend and no man come from far.
Here and had me never there, you know, cause nothing never did that go on for me, you know. And seeing call me back in that place and a whole heap of things are going for me right now. Make me can all take care of my sister right now. Money I make, you know. Oh, I love your father one good youth, you know.
Daddy tell me, man. Daddy tell me. And me like that say, he can help you fi uplift you, you know?
Yeah. So, where daddy there now? Cause I me did say me go check, you know.
You know, say, the last time I check in the day around the back of the house. He's supposed to be around the back of the house.
Alright, now go check him.
Alright, Uncle Jimmy.
Kim.
Yeah.
Go buy your juice, eh, here? And I want to tell your father and your mother, you tell it to them, say, Uncle Jimmy, buy your juice.
Yes,
And
Uncle.
Kim, not take no money for no stranger, you know.
No, Uncle.
If it's somebody where you don't know, not take it from him.
Yes,
What me
uncle.
say?
Yes, Uncle. Don't take no money for no stranger.
Alright, tell your father and your mother, say, me buy your juice.
Alright, Uncle
Go
Jimmy.
check, daddy.
Alright.
Sure. When Jimmy the man look how long me call him and tell him man say if he come check me. Look on the time and me honey I want one quick fix. Look how long me tell Jimmy say man no there if he come check me. I wonder why man. Wait, pan I must see this one. Jimmy, come here. Why you there so long? Look how long me call him tell you say him man no there. Come on.
Hold on, baby. You do it too fast.
Let me hold on, pan.
Me just see your daughter a while ago. Me ask her where her father there and she has said think her father run her back.
Jimmy, if you chat nonsense. Andrea not there. Kim know which party him father gone. From morning gone pan the road, from morning Andrea gone pan the road.
But from me come.
For you come what? Stop acting nervous and come give me what I want. I me call you about. You know, say for me call you, I just look bored. Take off your shot there. Alright, man. Just slow so. Come in, man.
What happened, Cash?
Daddy me there. What happened?
Which way you go?
You know, say, I practice me have for graduation. Cause mama say, 2 weeks time, I graduation now.
Well, you look like you're 25. Your body alone talk for itself, not your age. Where you
Mama
go?
say my mother big enough, so. Me I go down the grill there, so go practice.
Ah, boy, yeah. Father just stress out and tired. The work just make me tired and different. Me I go through some a lot, but all the way me I go through a big people thing still. So tell me something. Your mother out there?
Yeah, sure, yeah, Daddy. Oh, you know, say a while ago me I come out, me see a friend Jimmy.
Oh, Jimmy.
Yes, Daddy. And, you know, so me could have steered it round her back.
No, my daughter. Me never run. Me just a forward block. You see me?
Okay.
What you say? You see Jimmy?
Yeah, and you know, say Jimmy, your friend, you know, say a good youth, and he take care of me, Daddy. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. A four me and him a come from, man. 4 me and Jimmy a come from. Before you born, yeah.
A good
Me and him
youth,
a-
man.
I want to tell you, say, he left the community for a while and come back over there. And him a go through some things, man, and his sister. I just get him a work. Right now, he happy, man, and his sister right now.
Me like how I live, man.
But,
Like,
now watch out my daughter. Me well want you graduate. You know, me know if you want to go back to school, go finish your education, or you want to work, anything, me there for you. You understand? You're my one daughter, I love you.
yes, Daddy.
You understand? So, take care, miss. Me I go up here to go check mommy and we talk and sit here.
Yes, Daddy. You never worry want me go with you at the doctor go do the blood work.
Oh,
Alright, here what I go on now. I'm glad I remember me because I have too much things on the brain. Brain I get all still, but anyhow, me go do some check up what here. And the doctor kinda tell me say I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but him just want do a check up around 2-3 times. You understand? So he must say me if he just get my daughter or my son, so me say me only. You know, just my daughter, no son. So me just want you to follow me go down there where you can do a check up too. You understand?
Okay.
To see if the local sickness what me have, if you're okay. Because me no want nothing there. No. Me no want nothing there, my child.
Yes,
You see me?
Daddy.
So, one more thing, me no want your mother know. Because me no want she think negative.
Yes,
Keep her
Daddy.
on the positive. That are just between me
Alright.
and you, my baby.
Me understand, Daddy. No worries, sir. Between
Love
me
you,
and yes, Daddy.
Later.
Alright, Daddy.
Alright, keep your eyes straight on the road because the boy, I'm not going to them pants down here, so. Only thing them a look on your body.
Alright, Daddy. Later.
Yeah. Keep your eye on the road here.
Yes,
Straight,
Daddy.
not turn off upon none of them. Especially when them want to crush out the weed. Alright. Boy, my child, I don't even know what I go on with your father I go through. I even can't tell you. Me I go through all of that. I even sure say you're my daughter. But time I go tell. Tell if you follow me go do one blood test. But my daughter, I even can't tell you the truth. I want DNA more you go do. I mean, no, you know. Because I kind of, I don't think you're my daughter. But, child, who feels it knows it.
Babes, I don't want you to worry yourself about nothing. You see, anything where you go through right now, God have something down there. Plan for you. Because sometimes Father God does test you, you know. Father God does send some obstacle in a way to see if you can manage it. Yes, anytime you're ready to lift you up the ladder, you know, say a whole heap of glory that. So if it's true you're not work now, just not worry about that. Me and your brother Jimmy, we have it locked. We just do what we can do when we can do what we can do.
Another time biggest problem for my head because you are take care of me and Jimmy take care of me. But Jimmy I do something I don't like.
What's that, Kimmy?
Look how much time I tell you stop calling me by my full name. Just call me Kim now.
No, it's Kimmy for me.
I like brother Kim Shorter.
Don't worry about that. What kind of thing you say your brother? What kind of thing your brother do?
Jimmy just whore man.
As in like...
Woman you have one place. I don't want nobody to make my brother not, you know. And he not here no matter how me talk to him.
You know, so if I tell you something, I know a virgin, you know, where I see him so the virgin that word on in place and I mess around whole heap of female, you know. And you know what happened? A virgin lay away to him, you know. When him a fall in the yard that day, you know, and me so the virgin lay down on him belly and watch when the youth a forward in the yard. You see when he forward, me say just run out to the machete and chop him up. And I say, you know how they chop him up? The evil lizard then chop up so fine. And I hear say even the cat stick could open. So, I really have to give Jimmy a talk. Because really and truly, if it's sometime when man a hold on your place and something and man interfered, so man, woman, and so man take it serious.
And that's my main
I
problem.
know what man do.
I don't know fool man, woman you out there mess with. I don't know them the man they capable of. And that.
I raise with him, babe. You see me, so where you say your dog go eat?
Right now, I'm not hungry now because Jimmy has stressed me out.
Kimmy, you just need to just stop and overthink on that, you know, because you're done there. I stress up on the work where you not work.
Listen to me, B. You not understand. Jimmy a bite the hand that feed him. Jimmy don't know say why in a dark or come out in a light. And them help him, you know. And my mess around him and...
What do you mean by that, baby? I bite the hand and feed him. What that mean?
No yourself, you not do tell you, you know.
But baby, you know you can reason me. You start on a conversation with me and then you end. You know just tell me and done why you start something and any.
I ain't nothing, man. Just... I try me get upset. Me even know myself.
Alright, babe. As me say, me go reason with him. Just stop stress out yourself. I bet me make you smile. Babe. Money.
Me.
Of course. I'm telling you something, I go help you when me can help you. That's if you start smile, I know.
No, man. I don't say I don't want money, but I try me one brother. I
understand, man. I go reason with him. Just call me if anything, you heard?
Okay, where you go now?
I go back on my block. Go and build what. Look, I'm not there from early on, man.
I could have spent like more time.
Me I go and check you later then. But babes, me and you say, Jimmy I make some money and I work with some people and it like him I get a big money. And we
Yeah,
work
Jimmy, I
with.
make crazy
Cause I
money.
really want to know who I work with. Me I wonder if he could have give me a work, you know. When I could have just take care of you really so you know for work, you know.
You know, say I'm best friend though. I'm Andre. Are you near Andre? I'm best
Oh,
friend.
Andre.
Yes, so you would have to talk to Jimmy and see if he can set one link for me. I don't know how you go.
Don't worry yourself, baby. Me have a link, man. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, but I'm best friend. Andre, I'm a good friend.
Me have a link,
And me
man,
can't
baby. Don't worry
believe
yourself,
Jimmy.
man. Me I'll set you up the right way, man. When I have to work again. You hear, baby?
Yeah, that's so bad.
Alright, later.
Yes,
Mwah.
love you. I don't even know me I go do with Jimmy him.
Marvin,
Hmm?
the one good away I go, you know.
So me no must go and go down like we
I
have one.
want 20 hour, half hour, I want like 5 minutes, but you can't walk. You like it.
I go on like say a long time we are do this be. All Andre a fool, you know. Andre can have them a good body and go on a road.
I don't want to talk about Angie, I want to talk about this. I want to say because I really like it. It was enjoyable for me.
Of course be.
You know, long more until it could ease.
You know how long we are do this. I only hope Andre don't know about it.
I hope so too.
Right.
Because I don't want no drama in my relationship.
True. I mean, no want either because as much as we are do this, no, Andre a good boy. No? Fun and be.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Hello?
Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah man, I just come in from work and a local business. I mean, show you some I would deal with it. So I just wonder. Yeah, I just wonder if I forget something.
Me start look about something already for you. We can just forward.
Oh, you look about something. Okay.
And me alone there you know be. We baby they gone on the road for rehearsal.
Soon come here. Alright.
Jimmy, you have to go hurry up and lift. Hide and lift. You send up on the road and come and send them near, you know, they far.
Oh, yeah.
Me don't know if you know. Now you're so near you there.
Leave me through, look at you.
Nobody know how they come. Come, switch and go on. Hide and go on. Hurry up.
Bill, come.
Hurry up. Mr. If you hurry up. What do you say? Some man come like you don't know, so me don't want no problem in my yard. Many man hide and do things and they want tap yard give me over. And you say, man, they right down the road they start come.
Jesus Christ, I will Andre not see me saying them here enough. Jesus Christ.
Who that?
Babes. Go on.
Nothing.
I see in a room smell fresh. Like you split up your shirt them and spirit in a room. All the bed. You remember my shirt in your bed. Look like you're tired, man. And
What you do? Left the bed.
No, we can't do it too.
What?
Can't do it too. Look like you're tired, like you're not asleep. You're tired, no Joe?
Be alright.
You alright?
Alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just glad to see you.
My blood test go.
Blood test, tell you the truth, never get to go down there as yet. You know, but I go make back an appointment because I go down there and down the crowd. You know, the hospital stay.
Oh.
So I just say I make a next appointment, but I go just deal with some different things. Run around tired and I just say I miss you. So I say I come home.
Oh.
And now you know, say I will call you before I reach over here and I call you. Because I want to grab something, but you say I look about. What you look about, baby?
Your favorite, me look about here already
Favorite?
actually. Yes.
Yeah, sweat, so you flu. Alright.
Sweat me in the house, me not run no marathon.
But
Trying to
you-
sweat.
but
Time
you-
I'm hot and I see them turn up the sun
I
out
we
the
don't
door.
get the ceiling fan them yet. So I feel like that's why you hot.
Mm.
So what's up?
Nothing.
Boy graduation I come up, you know. With
Yeah.
daughter.
She got a
Last year,
rehearsal.
Really. Oh God, she a grow big, you know.
Pass.
Boy, me I want, you don't want a boy?
How you know so me can produce boy? Suppose we do it again and I want next girl.
Well, if I want girl or a boy, me I go happy, just like how.
I suppose I'm more than one of them.
Me know you're happy in a relationship, you know. I have to really thank you, you know. We're there when I'm good and we're there when I'm bad. And now things. Matter of fact, when last you see my best friend Jimmy, a couple of days now when I see him, you know. And when he alright, yes, Jimmy.
Jimmy, alright, a long time I not see him, but he call me.
Call you?
Yes, he call me and tell me, say, I call the phone one at a time and he never they get you. So then I call to check if we're alright. I tell him, say, we're alright, we're good.
I like that, man. Good
So,
youth, you know.
You want to know, say, I'm good too.
Why? For me and him I come from, you know, me and GB, you know. Before him left and go and then him forward black and me get him work. Him and his sister they are struggle.
True that.
I just the two of them just know each other, brother and sister. Boy, bad boy Jimmy. I say we name him, you know.
And you call
Bad
him
boy
so,
Jimmy.
you
You
call
know?
him that.
Bad boy Jimmy. You know, so my sister like Jimmy. Cause I want good youth.
Or you sister me like somebody, you can't say me like somebody.
No, my sister you like him like the way me see how you and him live, correspond and I must say all the way one family, you know. Me don't mean nothing, babes, like me.
B, you can't sister me like Jimmy.
So why you tell me say you don't like
Jimmy?
Jimmy?
But you know, so me think you like Jimmy. Better you
Me
say that.
know you like Jimmy, I want good youth cause me like Jimmy.
No, you don't like man. So me know so that you're not on it.
What you mean me not like man? Me like my friend. Why me not the little boy thing I want to say why me like my friend.
Alright. Me get the point.
Okay, so
We have more food.
yes, cause me kinda hungry or something.
Yes. What kind of juice you want?
Well, I want some crushed ice and lemonade.
Okay,
Understand?
Jamaican style.
Right.
Little brown sugar and a tips of lime.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right,
I
just
got
train. Alright.
We got that.
So
You want to make your food now?
yeah, me there man.
You come with me?
Me soon come.
Alright.
Alright, baby, when I come back, I get the digital credit for here. I know, man, because I just left over here, so I know say I must remember and I remember to tell me. Alright. Jimmy! What going on? You good?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, you run, son? Everything good?
You don't say 2 dogs rush me up this one.
Which dog?
2 pit bull.
Hold on. I don't run a Marlene yard.
Run this one.
You know, so me always I want Marlene about the dog. Man. You know, say no, you alone me about talk about them the dog there. Them the dog, they not no manners to nobody. Anybody they see, they back off. I could have even push. I like own a Marlene them back off.
So Marlin fi have dog like them there. And a fence up our
I
yard.
get Marlene if you get rid of them, you know. But anyways, over your sister had me just a father. Me and her just come off her phone again.
You know,
Because
say over
she
there
want
me
renew
go.
her plan.
Over there me I go right now, no.
Me a see. But me a say still, you know, Jimmy. You know, some respect you do.
Of course.
Because here what I go on now. Nothing now go on for your sister, you know. She not in a no work right now, you know. And me and you did it for her, you know. Especially you, you know. You understand? You elevate up yourself. And you take care of your sister. And I make sure see your sister alright. You know why I highly respect you too. A whole heap of man member their family no make money, you know. So if you know say you make a little bit of money, or I don't know the amount of money, but if you know say you make something and buy an idea, you remember your sister.
True, man. Me
That
love,
good.
remember say me love my sister.
What you
bro.
mean, man? And as
Me
me
love
say, a
her,
whole
no.
heap of man, when they make money, they remember family. And it's good when you make money and you remember family. So just go and do it right for your sister, youth. You see me?
Yeah, man.
And buy an idea, I did it for her, see me, because I rate her.
True, man. I'm ready to twin. I love how you take care of my sister,
You
you
know,
know.
man? You're my brother-in-law, you know, man.
You're a good youth, you know.
Respect, man. You see it? I just something, man. If you want me love a person, I go push out my love. And I go do anything what I can do for the person. And the person I talk about your sister. You see it? Hold on there. I can't go over there. I just remember say I go over there. And she just call me about one credit, you know. I don't know if you get a chance, you just tap a cash patch shop and you go over there and buy her one lime credit, please.
All of this in her life.
Yeah, man, because she me just that talk to her up on the phone. So just remember to get the lime credit for me here. And you know the next thing to Jimmy?
What go on?
You have to behave yourself, you know. Your sister tell me say you not behave, you know. He say you do something what she not like.
Then what me I do, bro?
Well, I don't know really, you know, she just tell me say you just order on your place.
Oh!
You see me? And she say, nowadays, you must say, the money we have make girl have manners.
You frighten me, no, bro.
But
Yo.
just remember, man, sometimes, you see, when you did that, you know, make nothing, there's nobody see you, know. But
True.
anytime you up your son and make something,
Everybody
I
I
tell
go see.
you, everybody I go see you, especially ladies them. Also, my friend never rate you, I go rate you. But just go and do your right and stay focused. Here?
Yeah, my brother.
Alright, look come on, man.
Yeah, man. But brother, you walk close to man, you can't chop up your yard gate or something.
Easy yourself, Jimmy.
Alright.
Easy enough.
Kimmy! Sis! Text along fiancé, sis. You know, look how long me I call you.
What you tell call my name for?
So,
Me tell some more everybody know my name.
me can't call the name again. Come out, Tessa.
What you say? What happened to you now?
One piece of jam I just one while ago.
Wow.
Me come most close to this to get catch while ago. Over on a yard. Andre
As much
nearly
as I
come
remember,
catch
they
me.
shouldn't catch you. Where is it now?
Andre nearly catch me while ago.
You see, same thing. It's when me I tell about. Suppose Andre this you. Why, you know, saying she don't catch you backside.
So what you want to
He
pray that
shouldn't
for me?
catch you. If he this you, he could have. Listen to me, that piss me off.
you
You
know-
know your brother and I just said to me, look around. Say no one bridging. We did have one bridging where I grow and I mess with man, woman. And the bridging lay waiting pan belly with machete. And living from left to right, not even key stick could have open.
A
And
liar.
you walk around and mess with
A
people, man.
liar tell.
You idiot.
A liar tell. God no.
Me say, Andre, you shouldn't catch you. Yeah, my brother, but you shouldn't
You
catch
know,
you. Me
sis,
tell for one,
sis,
you.
You're too ungrateful. You know why you're ungrateful? Look on the amount of things me do for you.
Oh, back up, are you an ungrateful one, yeah? Cause number one, Andre, take care of your face and put it on your foot. Make a could have money for you give in so-called woman Anna where you game born with you. Tell you that.
So what wrong with
I
that?
grown and I mess with your best friend, woman, which that not right. And me tell you if talk, so all me ungrateful.
So sis, what wrong with that? What wrong with that?
Me I try put you in a right part of your street where you are.
But Anna no have no problem. How you have problem?
Jimmy, I tell you now, Jimmy. You see when I dark always come in your light, you hear? And you see you need to stop by the hand that feed you. Cause you're not supposed to do this.
Sis.
It's not right. And also mommy and daddy grow you.
Anything where you want call me. Me I come go in my room. You hear? In the business where you want
Yeah,
call me.
sitting here, you come like in two-sided machete there.
Ah, yawa.
If you tap him, man. And go catch you one day, I'm going to go there if he help you.
Kim, make your head so tight.
Me head kinda hurt me from morning, man. That's why I'm telling the kerchief.
I don't see if you tie you for rolly. In a two and tie your knee across your forehead. You tie your whole here. No one. How school of practice?
Practice it alright, you know, mommy. Alright, like, it go good as me expect, you know.
Oh, so you know your graduation song by heart now.
Kinda, yeah, man. Miley Cyrus The Climb.
Okay. So your friend, how much subject she get?
You know, say a 5 subject she get. She do 7 and she get 5, so.
Are you comfortable with what you have?
Yes, mommy.
Okay.
I work hard for it too.
We know. And that's why you graduate, right? If you don't have no subject, you can't graduate.
Exactly.
Okay. Alright, I'm proud of you, you know.
Proud of myself too, mommy.
May your father do this. You work hard. But that fact you work harder than me, but we try. We try our best.
Yes,
Because we want the best for you.
Mommy, so what daddy did? Daddy not there?
There. Me fix something for you eat. You left me in the kitchen so down and eating food.
Oh, okay. Daddy!
Call him.
Daddy!
Yes, baby. I'm coming.
Never get the opportunity where you get so glad to make you side, you know?
You know, so me already talking and me I want to say, I must see you talking to your mom. What's up? What more money? What more side of your mother?
Why I'm just bigger than it all, so.
Your big money too big. No, no way I get plumber
One in a
out.
talk about. But your mother in a talk about.
You know, say we just talk about graduation and
You know, so my mind tell me say graduation you talk about.
my friend we pass our 5 subject them
And you know,
and
so
stuff like that.
I remember, I never remember if I asked about her 5 subject.
5-1 she get and the next 2 in her 3 and 2. So
That is
basically she
wonderful.
passed.
That is wonderful.
That's very
Well, my daughter, I'm really, really proud of you. I know your mom proud of you too. Your last
Daddy.
year at school, and you do so good in school. You make her proud.
Just tell her how proud me feel for her because whenever I get the opportunity where she get and she make good use of it, you know, so you work so hard, or push so hard
Because you know, a lot of parents, you know, have struggling in them relationship. Some are cheat, some are go out there and cheat on their husband and cheat on their wife, and plus the children get caught up in the middle without an education. Me and your mom, we are not like that. We are different, we build different.
Yes, Daddy.
When we think about relationship, the first person we think about in the relationship, it's you.
Yes, Daddy.
So you have to give your mom credit.
Daddy.
Hold on. Yeah, man, you have to give your mom credit for keeping it real. I love you guys here.
Yes, Daddy.
So what you was saying now?
I just wanted to know.
Oh, not you are married? You are married me and mom again?
No, Daddy.
Yeah.
I just want to know, say, I really appreciate, you know. Everything you want to do for me is sacrifice them want to make.
Oh, God.
I appreciate it so much. And I'm glad to me can...
Hold on, baby, hold on. Can you come like cry? Come, hold on. I'm blushing so much. I don't know if your mom blushing, but I'm so blushing. Yes, as I was saying.
Yes, Daddy. And you work very hard for sending me go to school.
Both of us.
Yes.
Yeah, both of us.
I'm just happy for know, say, you want to make a sacrifice for me. You understand?
And we would do it again, right, babes?
I appreciate you.
Yes,
you know?
yes.
Yes. I'm in love with you.
Yeah, man, love it here.
I'm happy for you.
Yes, mommy. But by the way, Daddy.
Yes.
Mommy. Your friend Jimmy. He can give me $2,000. $2,000 so I can buy myself a drink.
You what?
He didn't give me $2,000. I see him when I come out the road.
Oh, Jimmy give you 2,000.
Yeah.
It's okay. Jimmy a family, right, babes?
Jimmy get 2,000. So and
Yes,
ask
mommy.
me now your father if you okay
Babes,
this year and give
it's
money.
okay. Jimmy a part of the family. Right, babes?
Yes.
It's okay. But watch out. You know when me and your mom really, really proud of, you come over and you tell mama, you tell dad, say someone give you a money. Me know say if it's a stranger, I'm gonna take it. So
No,
proud of you. Me proud of you, mom proud of you. And we love you here.
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, so me don't really know what step you want to take, but maybe you want to wait till the graduation finish, you talk to your mama, you talk to me, and then whatever you decide, it's okay with us. As long as whatever you decide, it's moving forward, upgrade for a better future for you, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay.
Right, so continue to hold up your head. Make yourself proud. We're always proud of you, you know that. Whatever decision you make, we're behind you 110%. Right?
Yes, mommy.
And you see, anytime you left school and graduate, if I need me or mom to give the money, we okay, go up Jimmy now. Make your little song, right?
Now no time I work out.
Then we have to finish eat the food, yeah?
Yes, Daddy.
Babes, thanks for the food again, yeah?
You're welcome.
Yeah, man.
The father dramatic, yeah? You see my one?
Yes,
My
mommy.
body is
Betrayal by friend. The dirty people them with friend like needs who need enemies. Dirty Jimmy Agwan like
Daughter,
Yes, Daddy.
I just really want to thank you for following me go down a Sav. For go pick up a blood test. It mean a lot to me if you know so I have a big daughter. You know, can guide me and you know follow me go up on my journey.
Yes, Daddy.
And you know say, to tell you the truth, it's a year special moment at your graduation. You know, me I have so much things because there's something very, very important I want to really talk to you about.
Yes, Daddy.
But a graduation, I want you graduate, go out dinner, enjoy with your friends, you know, enjoy your moment.
Yes,
So I
Daddy.
just wait till the graduation done. I just tell you what I go on. You understand? You what go on now. Me even tell you, me your mother decide, say, if you don't tell you as yet, me your mother and I go through so much things in a relationship. And just choose she and me love you, we decide to give it a next try again.
So, Daddy, where your mommy they go through, so?
Just hear me I say, man, it's a your moment. Mommy and daddy now go spoil, but whatever we not go through in the relationship, we fix it. You understand? Just because of one person. Just because of
me.
Right, so you want me ask you, man, just
And you know, so come to think of it for true, Daddy.
yeah, my daughter.
Me didn't notice something, but me never really. True, me know say in a relationship, people have ups and downs. Even if you have a friend, same way.
Ups and downs.
Yeah,
you
but
understand?
no hope on nothing too serious.
No, well, my daughter, I'm tell you, so it's a relationship. I'm not really talking about your mom relationship, but overall, there is so much things in relationship. Lie, cheating, you know, as you turn your back, you know, there is so much things. Thank God me and mother work out, you know, our relationship. But anyhow, just go buy something and your friends them enjoy yourself. Me and mom just go talk and do some catching up, you know, and think about what's best for you, your future. You get what me saying?
Yes, Daddy.
You're a big woman, you know. We don't want you to struggle like how we struggle, you know. So basically at that, you understand? So just go and go do what you do and enjoy yourself. What I'm to you, what about you? I know you know, you're my daughter, you know.
Daddy, you tell me if you follow you go do blood test and stuff,
You
right?
did.
And you not tell me, you not update me, boy. You test if you're alright. I want to know if it tests positive or negative, that you're alright.
My daughter, listen me. You trust daddy, right? And you trust
Daddy,
mommy.
Daddy, me trust you, but me
But
just...
what? No, but no, you're not
Yeah,
trust.
mommy, I hide too much things from me.
Listen. Whose moment is it?
Mine.
Your moment, right? Not daddy, not mommy. Our moment gone. It's your moment. So we don't want nothing spoil your moment. You understand? So this is your moment. Anytime your moment come true, you enjoy yourself, you got the prom, you know? You look a boyfriend when you tell me about and tell mommy about you. You understand?
Yes,
then there's
Daddy.
something wrong with tell you. At your moment. You see my daughter?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright, give me a hug. Love you, here.
Love you too, Daddy.
Alright. Go and go enjoy yourself, man. And when you come home, you can call daddy or call mommy.
Alright, Daddy.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Yeah, love
Take
you.
care till me come
Yeah, man.
home.
Boy, my daughter, there is so much things have gone in my life, your mom life, and your life we you don't even know about. And just show me now want you to get hurt. Me even can't tell you, me I lie to you how much here now. Me even lie to you and tell you, so if you follow me go doctor, if you go pick up blood test, but deep down inside, you go pick up the result for DNA. Why? I tell you what.
I really want to get to work and I come on. My woman kill me for get you. Father,
Yo,
big up yourself, you know.
what go on?
You know, say you me there, wait pan door.
You wait for me?
Yeah, man.
For?
You know, so me tell you the truth, though, my general. It's a work me I look though, father.
You look at work?
Yeah, man. I mean, yes, say you are dealing with the work, them. Now, Andre, your name, father?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And you may yes, say I deal with the work, them, man. I see me some would really appreciate if you could have give me one I work, them, father. Because really and truly, me just want my life get fixed, like, one can have money right where me can help out my family. You see me?
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, general.
So how you know say me can supply you with work or give you some work?
You know, so we tell you the
You
truth,
help
though,
out your
father.
family.
It's a friend tell a friend.
A friend tell a friend?
Yeah, man, it's a friend tell a friend.
So me I wonder say if a friend tell a friend, so a lot of people make it work. And if people make it work, then stab me in my back a million
Allah,
times. Me I'll give a friend a work right now from last year. And he make my life be a living hell and I just go and wall out here and stand up.
Them people could have wicked, so.
He would tell right now wall like how me a wall.
And how me I hear about you and a father, me I hear say I want good youth and you always uplift youth them for true, you know.
Good youth, but sometimes you can't do good.
True, man. Sometimes it's tough in your heart, man.
So my first me I see you still.
You know, so we tell you the truth, though, father. And me didn't call Roger. But what you know? You see anybody where you help out and give work and then stab you in your back, general, may I tell you, say 6'6", then if you go unalive and can't come back. Me not like people who turn so. Me not like people we get help and then this people who help them. Me not stay so, you know.
What you say your name again?
Roger.
Roger.
Yeah, man.
Roger. You sound like a real youth. But I saw the most of them stay like them real.
You have a point, me general.
But you hear what me I say, you see sometime in a life when people grow on you, don't quick for dash them. Quick for give them more rope.
They hang
themselves.
Get what you have to show.
Yeah, what me I say still. Now I'm going to use a next bridging. Fat
and fry
it. You say you want a work?
Fit you.
Make you get a work.
No problem. Respect.
Take my business number.
Yeah man.
42.
Hold on. 42.
How
much 42?
Just take your number, business number.
Alright, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, I'll be 42.
21.
510.
500.
My business number.
And 10.
Take my second business number.
Hold on. Let me save the one, the Andre business. Hold on. Andre business. Alright, give me back here the one now, father.
800. 750. 21 69. Not 999, you know.
21 69.
That's my second business number. Call me.
Alright.
Make you get a work.
And I number them, alright?
Yeah man, I'm a business number. You can't ring me right now, I ain't gonna not believe me.
Alright, yeah man.
But anyhow, as what I say, so when you help people in a life and then grow on you, sometimes you have to play a fool
to catch wise.
Give them a rope.
To hang
themselves. Big up yourself.
Alright, Father Andre. And respect again here.
Big up yourself here.
Alright. You know who could have really betray money? And the man look like a real youth, you know. Boy, I would mind Andre give me work. I'm not betraying, you know. Boy, my woman make it.
Woo! Chuma.
What's up?
Yeah, frighten me for.
I'm sorry, baby. How are you doing? You okay?
Yeah, no, so married.
No, you must be excited. I kept asleep early last night. I'm gonna get to come sleep with you.
A good man.
But anyways, me have a good news. Guess who, Mr. Babe?
I don't know. I'm going to
Andre.
Oh.
Remember me tell us that me have it locked? Yeah, babe, me know, well, me not really know Ellie, but me always see me go through one pass of going yard and me always hear about this Andre. So you tell me I say, oh, me have this lock. So, me did there, me I wait upon him and me see my fall through the pass and me stop. And me I tell him, say, no, say, you me there, I wait upon the door. And him I say, wait upon me for what? Because he don't know me, you know. I mean, I really know him like that, you know. You know, and me I explain and me I tell him, say, generally, you know, so we tell you the truth. Me I say, yeah, I deal with the work them. And him I say, oh, me know. So me I tell him, say, a friend tell a friend. You know, and then you know, what really go on, babe? Me I get to one point to him I say, you know, just want bring in me on a work, so because a whole heap of friend in help, especially one friend where betray him, stab him in the back, he rise the youth from nothing to something, and you diss him. So he give me 2 business number, them and say me must call him. You know, because I tell me say, sometimes I have to give people a rope to hang themselves. But babe, I don't know who I'm talking about. Me I tell him say, you see any friend do him that, if go down 6'6". Me not like them people in a babes. Me hate ungrateful people and people betray their friend.
Too.
But don't worry yourself, babe. You see anytime he say me have the hurt day, we go alright. And me know me not do nothing like that.
Me know, come on, me know yesterday, me know say nah do nothing.
You mad, babe?
Me know say you will never
rise up
betray him.
and rise you up. Nothing like that, babe.
That's what me
See
get
a meat in a
hot.
bag, that's how you do clean up your meat.
Yeah, cut me up, but me get hot all of a
I hear
sudden.
you. Me clean up your meat, babe. Hold on there. How are the old whore there? He
Old
must
whore.
be a one man woman yard and now again self problem. While the man they are working, they are fix the woman busy. You know, so the boy they're not easy.
Yeah,
You better be careful, you know.
Me talk to him, come, me talk to him, come. Me don't know if
You better be careful because as the story me tell about, me know a friend, we have a friend, what happen?
No, man.
Why me really don't want nothing happen to him.
I'm one brother and I don't want nothing to him, but he not listen to me. So
And then I say I must use clip, right?
Yeah, you didn't get to talk to him.
Yeah man, me did talk to him, but me think me need to reason with him more better.
He not listen to you though. Me know he not
Well,
gonna
so
listen.
far, I'ma take talking about me don't want reason with him more.
Alright, brother, say yeah.
Alright,
Done.
yeah man.
Hey babe, what's up? Nice baby. Anna,
What, Andre?
what's up? You alright?
Yes, me
Come
alright.
there, my baby.
Me look alright.
You look wonderful, you look nice,
Okay.
beautiful.
Wow.
You always a spread up belly, always a sweep out. You're just there to take care of us. You know? Me and your daughter.
So what no? Where my
Well,
daughter
there,
then?
me
Just
know
say
you
I
not
will
ask your
afternoon.
daughter, you know, me know you not ask her. But anyway, you know, say she tell her that she gonna stop by with her friends. Cause you know, graduation, she anxious. She want to go have a drink with her friends, so.
Drink?
Me just,
Alcohol? we?
no. I don't think
Okay.
she gonna do that.
Okay.
But anyhow, me just tell her, say, yo, just go enjoy yourself, man. And me and mom just gonna have a talk.
Okay.
You know, babes, just a look a nice place where both of us are built for daughter. You know, I want to show you what going on. You know, we're proud of ourselves. Just a look at the place nice. You know, we are come from far, we are come from far.
But no, a place nice already be here, so we live. What is it?
Anna, I'm not a good guy.
Yes, you're one good man. Why would you say that? Why could I even ask me that?
Like, you don't think me deserve better?
What do you mean deserve better? Of course, baby, you deserve better. What do you mean deserve better in what kind of way? What is it? I don't understand.
Anna, me I go through a lot from the past few years. So much stress me I go through. I'm just trying to hold it because of our daughter and because of you. I'm saying not change.
May I stress you, Andre? May I stress you? How may I stress you? What may I do you?
Anna, how long you know this a go on? How long you know you have an affair, you cheat?
Affair? Affair be like cheat with who? Who may I cheat with? Who may I cheat with? Be who? Who may I cheat with, Andre?
Babes, please. You don't take me for idiot already. Don't take me for a bigger idiot.
You said cheat. How cheating come in it?
Yes, babes.
How may I cheat with you?
Cheat.
How may I cheat? How? Tell me now how. You say me I cheat for you. How may I cheat for you?
You see, sometime in our life, babes, when you help a person and you help that person from your heart, them take disadvantage of you. And also when you love a person and love him from your heart, that person still can't take disadvantage of you. I'm just there so and just feel like you can't tell me the truth. And we just talk and fix back this, not for you and not for me, but for our child who shall graduate this year.
Andre, you get me timid and worried. What are you talking about?
Babe,
Why you are stressed and frustrated about? What is it?
you're not only cheating. I tell you, say me the doctor go pick up the blood test.
Yeah, and why results, Sebi? Why results?
You
What
turn
happening?
me.
What's
Babes,
happening?
you turn me in a liar. Me not go pick up no blood test. Me go pick up the result. And the result when me find out the data what in your life and in my life, in our life. She's not mine.
What you mean with data is not yours? What you mean Kim is not yours? So if Kim wanna feel or over Pitney, what this? What is?
That's the DNA to prove that Kim is not mine. Kim is for Jimmy.
DNA sample, babe. DNA sample. When you find out about this and when you go do this be when make you go behind my back and do this be? When make you do something like this be? When you go do something like this, me sorry. Me sorry be.
Get up.
Me sorry but me couldn't tell you.
Listen
Me couldn't tell you.
Listen me. Me see this from a time. From a long time this in my brain. And me just decide so me need to prove say me wrong or me right. But me never right, me wrong. My daughter when me think of my daughter over so much years. It's not mine.
Baby, sorry, baby.
I feel my best friend when me get work and give work and take care of you cheat for me with my best friend.
Baby,
And-
sorry. Me tell us I'm sorry.
Just listen. You see this here, the daughter when me check her mind, she is not mine, but she no know say I'm not her father. So you know what me need you to do right now? Me need you to play along. Just like when you play along and cheat for me, me need you to play along and don't make she know nothing. Cause me no want nothing mash up our graduation or our moment. Just she don't need to know say I'm not her father. So you need to go in your phone right now and call your lover, the person you are cheat for me with, and tell him say this dolly also wanna have. If finish, tell him say no come back over here when I'm not here. And when you finish, me need you to follow me go over station go lay a statement and go take out a restraining order for that man not come back on my yard or come round my daughter
Restraining
as
order?
long as me live.
Station be restraining order. Me nah go.
You nah go.
Me nah want go down on no station.
Listen me. I want you listen me good. Look for me. You see, next time, the only reason why you're still living and still a breed are just because I'm a daughter where she don't know, say, I'm not her father. Me love her with everything what me having on me. So you see, if you care about your daughter, more you follow me go down a way. Station. I mean, no need chief know when me and you know. Me need when she come out, you hug her and me hug her like nothing happen. You see, if you don't do that, then ashes to ashes and dust to dust. You get that? Good girl. That's why I love you, cause you understand. Even when you're wrong, make the phone call. No! And call your man and tell him, say, it's over! Pick up the phone. No! So you look cute when you cry. Silent river run deep. Make sure you flick it on speaker.
What's up, B?
Jimmy,
Yes, B?
you know say me call you to talk to you about something money important. When you listen, you hear?
Yeah, B.
You know say relationship where we have to go break off it.
What? What you mean by B? Break off what?
We have to go break off it, dolly house done be.
How it sound like something happened to you, B? I want to you, where you there?
No do me I tell you say relationship done, it mash up.
That
Jimmy just
can't
listen
mash
to
up.
what me I say, listen and understand what me I say. It mash up, it done.
I must prank this. Me I come in your yard right now.
Now hear me say you can't come over me yard. No come over me yard. Your relationship done, no come over me yard. No come back over me yard, Jimmy. Don't come back over me yard.
Alright, B. Yara, tomorrow I'm forward or later. Just knock me back.
You not hear what me I say, you understand what me say it done. Me no want to see you, no want to see me and no come back over me yard.
Alright, it sound like something not going over there. This looks serious, Jesus Christ, me no problem.
Jimmy just no come back on me yard.
Good girl. You know, for the longest while, me I go make you cry more because I never know so you're cute that much. Because you know up your clothes. Look here. I'm sorry for you. I'm just sorry for you to see my dark part of me, my dark side. But listen, it's the secret between me and you. With that, if you not find out, say, me and you have a little party. Let's go to the station. Lead the way.
Sis, give me.
What happened? Who you run from?
You don't run from nobody, Kim.
So you running a babe so far?
You don't know, say. Anna called me a while ago. And give me sad news.
Me know I don't about I know. I'm not here to tell you if you talk about sad
I me know, say, Dolly house mash up and some things and she a cry like something happen.
So you are trying to say Andrea find out?
Me don't know about you look so.
You see, same thing, Jimmy. Jimmy, you see how me talk to her and tell us if you know that?
Me all tell her, say, me a come over there myself. Me know if you come back over there, over and mash up.
Jesus, please.
You can't believe. But how Andrea would have find out?
Well, you feel say man, you feel say it a go stay there dark for favor. Me not tell you why not in dark will come in the light. Now let me tell you. Me tell you say stop, little girl alone. Andrea your friend, you gonna lose your work now and how we eat. Eh? You see say for me man Dave have a steady job. And you are a steady bread maker in our family right now. Because Andrea gonna let with Andrea woman.
Sis, you feel sad that happen?
Me no feel say that. Find the way I go on, it's all like that happen, because why should I break your
No,
son?
she called me and she a cry and
Yeah, she a laugh cry.
me I tell her say I'm to her and she a make me know say that the house mash up. All when me tell Anna say me a come over her yard fi come look back for her and she tell me say me no fi come back over there.
Jimmy, me want you go and me want you come. Me and sister is supposed to listen to me, you know. This will not happen right now, you know.
So
Suppose we just look and we see Angie and Martha come over with one bill now. What expect me to do? Help you?
so if Angel find out, where you think I will go on?
Me no know. You don't know what in Andre's head and me no know what in there. Anything could have go through feed mine right now. That's the reason why me tell her say leave Anna alone. Yeah, Angie a friend. Angie put up on your food. And you see him on me tell say for me man say to me say if they have a virgin, we have a virgin. We see him so him a walk a grown and a David man woman and a tech man woman and you know what man do? Hide him in a yard and chop him up till a close can stick and get. You me tell that you know. Angie want one person like that.
Sis, if you tell the truth, I love you and a long time you been a tell me this and me never listen. I'm ungrateful because Angie put me on my foot and I can have money for me and my friends and my family. Them. And
that?
when me do a wrong, me glad he call me and tell me say over. I just see money get to me and he hype when me go do it.
This with most of the people, you know. It's one time when I had nothing, and when I finally get it, I don't remember when I come from. So, why I don't even know if it's here right now? I'll go on in. What if you do? Go on,
If
round.
Angela come, just text me or call me. Just,
I don't know. What if it's to one?
No, I'm going to go through that
I tell Angela, say I don't know nothing about you. When you're my brother, I don't know.
if I see Angela come in the house, just signal me, please. I hear
Signal you. Me if you signal you, is the best thing you're gonna do right now. I'm gonna find Andre and tell you I apologize to him and tell you it's just a misunderstanding and see if I can get back to work because there's no doubt say you lose the work there now, you know. No doubt about it. So try to find Andre.
so I think if you go find him now.
Exactly, I apologize to you and beg him please to forgive you. Can me talk to you and me talk to you
Sis,
about
you
this.
see true, it just happened, me just get the car. Me make it cool on first.
Listen to me now. You don't know how people see but go on, alright?
Me make it cool on first.
Alright.
It heated.
Me tell us to go apologize. Me talk to you when me talk to you come in here. But no, you live by your high horses because you make money.
No, Jamie, no see me daughter where Kim there.
A matter of fact, I will call Kim and just make she forward because she's supposed to reach her by now. You understand? Anyhow, remember me tell you, all of this, Kim no need to know. So when I call Kim and tell Kim to come home, Kim, you just have to act like everything is 100%, or when it's not. You understand?
Yes, I'm really, really sorry.
It's okay, man. It's alright.
Be then sharing the Varna, what am I doing in my house?
Oh, sorry, me never tell you. Me take them off of the veranda because we have guests.
We have guests, what kind of guests?
The guests soon arise. Just give me a second.
Brother-in-law.
Yeah, dude,
One
bro.
Jimmy. Why? Call it me you live in there one year. Come and go and check your sister regular. You come over here clean up meat and something for me woman, you know. I'm in a year in a yard, you know.
Me holiday, man, bro. You know for money.
Yard, me go for something and come back. I mean, I see her call it me you live in there one year. Come and sleep regular. But anyways, what I really want to say to you doing, Jimmy. You see me? You see, in a life, you can never tell a man or a woman what to do. You only can give them an opinion, and if them like it, then can use it. You see me?
True.
I say that to say this. Your sister knows say you have respect for me, I have respect for you.
Of course, bro.
So I hope when I say to you now, you know, pray like for me I try to run your life because I would never do that. You understand? Because and I like me I have family, I'm a brother-in-law. You see me? Even if me have family, I tell you something, you know, listen, that's no problem. But your sister say you do some stupid things, which we can't tell us say you can't have one bag of woman. You see me? But sometimes you have to know some risk that you go in the life. You see me? You see one bag of woman them you have. You see me? Because the other day, you know, between me and you, there was one look enter drink around one room. And me hear one nigga named Joseph. I said, Jimmy, a sex off in woman. You see me? And I say I show him it's not a man of pre-violence. I'm not say it to your sister, you know. Make you not see you and do something. So when I try to say, sometimes you have to know the woman them where you mess with. Because sometimes they have some man where their man is a killer or their man can get killer. So sometimes you have to know what you do. So if you cheat with a girl, just try to do it where you know end up in a situation where you and the girl man are go in a any problem at all, any back and forth argument. Sometimes I try to tell her just be safe with what you do. You see me? And not make no man in no problem. Because by an idea, I don't know if your sister tell her, but I tell her if you tell her. You see me? I know a friend. We know a friend where I see him say the youth did a go on.
Oh, you know, say she tell
yeah,
me that
man.
about 2
And
days.
I tell her say the youth get chopped up fine. The lizard name chop up so. And I tell her say he did terrible. So I just don't want you reach none of them position there. See it? A lot of women going to position still will fix up that. So I just that me have to tell you. You see it?
I
respect you, you know.
I wouldn't go on the road. I will have vibes on that, so.
Alright, just be safe, you know.
Probably go check a new catty.
That's your word.
Yeah, bro.
Sure. Sometimes I feel like the best thing Jimmy for do at an yard, you know. Sometimes I good and people not see, you know. Because I don't even know where I go on the road for now.
Just in time. Babes. Shh. I promise to send me out call your daughter.
Hello, Daddy.
Hey baby, what's up?
Alright, I'm in the palm where come on.
Hey, listen. My mom, your mom and I were just thinking we are cooking your favorite food at this moment. I was just thinking that your mom tell me to tell you you can take half an hour more. Yeah, just take half an hour more and just enjoy yourself. Because we cook your favorite food. Your mom in the kitchen, your mom to tell her that you love you, right?
Alright, Daddy.
And I love you too, right baby?
I love you too, Daddy.
Kisses. May I go for the guests for the party, the guests for the house. I soon be back. I'm not play me as much. Now it's my time to play both of you. Soon come, baby. Love you here. Jimmy,
Andre,
what go on?
boy, you know, say you me just that come look for.
You know, so you me just come look for to me and babes in a talk. And she tell me say, she just come straight forward and tell me the truth. She say, you and her, we have a relationship. But you never reach far, just look flirting. You know, and you stop it before you reach big. So I kind of respect that, because while me flirt, you know. While me see some woman out the road and I flirt.
No, say me now cut your door, bossy. But I hate me come for reason with her. As a man to a man and tell her, explain, bro. Because even all my sister tell me, say, yo, a foolish me a do, bossy.
So all your sister know what I go on to?
All my sister know what I go on. Tell her
Wow,
the
your
truth.
sister one good man, you know. You have to love her, you know. But anyway, me not come link you and you not come link me. And you see your father got great. Because you one good youth, you know. Me get your work. Me provide for you. You can take care of your sister. Me take you out of poverty. And see it now, you make a mistake and you come to correct me.
I mean, I appreciate everything.
Yeah,
you
I want
bossy.
you, man. Only for respect, man. But as me say, me and wife you over there and we are talk. So me feel like me and you need to go check her and 3 hours just sit down as big people and talk. maybe this now go get better and heal for now, you know, but it's a start. So what you think? You want to go link and talk to her?
What should I over there?
Show over yard, man.
Come in, because we are man to man, we are big man.
Yeah, my father, man, I want to you, man. That's a real, no real.
Yeah, you want good boy, no, Andre. You put me on my foot, you know, bro. Oh, God, man. You don't even know, you know, Andre. You want real good, you know, bro.
Well. Guess who coming for dinner? Natty dreadlocks. My best friend. Well. Babes, hold up your head. Hold up your head.
Andre.
You're shocked. Today the day where you and my woman will get married. Me get your work when nothing go on for you. Me provide for you where you can take care of your sister. You have so much money to spend. But the only thing you forget, loyalty and respect. You stab me in my back and take my woman.
But Andre, this no call for you, know?
You're right.
This no call for how many reach over here, bro?
All the way you do, you never call for. And all the way she do, you never call for.
Yo.
And all the way me I go do right now, you don't call for. One more thing. You know how far me and my woman come from. You know how far me and you come from. And me own to find out. Say my daughter, want my daughter. Me find out say she's not my daughter. My daughter want my daughter. And your daughter.
Oh! Andre.
Tell him say my daughter and my daughter. A fiend daughter. When me and mine over 18 to 17 years now.
Jimmy,
Yes, Anna.
give me your daughter.
How?
Make me give you proof. How? Read that are the DNA. When me go look
Yo,
bout.
Anna, why you never tell me?
Couldn't tell you. Me never
Oh.
know to tell you.
Anyhow, the dolly house mash up. Stone Love never have no permit. So it go lock off.
Andre, please, no, bro. This never call for, bro. You know me long time, bro, and you do a lot for me, bro. Give me a chance, bro.
Stop the begging. You want to go on right now. Me and my woman go down a station. And we go down a station late. You know what I tell him? So we go down a station but take out a restraining order. For you. For you not come back over my yard around. My woman. I don't know what happened now. Just because my woman left you. You know your feelings. And you get gonna you come over here because me not over here. You know what you do? You come over here, come fight her woman and then you shot her.
Me, Andre, me? Oh!
Oh? You not shot her yet? You have a shot my woman now. And when you shot my woman, me come over here. Just in time. When you shot my woman, and me here wrestle for the gun and the gun go off and shot you. So this are the time, this are the moment where you have a shot my woman.
Andre, that no call for you now. That no call.
Andre, no!
No,
Andre!
baby, sorry, not
Andre, Andre,
You
Andre!
change my mind. Me I go shot you instead.
No!
You guys made it to the end of this movie. What you say? Tell me what I go and feed. You like it? You subscribe. You comment. Make sure you share it and make sure you tell a friend. So people, for you reach to this part of the video and for me, the end front of the camera talk, so that means you watch the movie to the end. And I hope you not trick quick and skip out the movie and follow the end, you know. Because I know all heap of love deep. But anyways, I just want to say, big up to all our fans them always a support True World TV, you understand, and Coloring Book TV. It's a pleasure, you understand, really appreciate it. You know, but people always ask me say, we do some part 2. We do some part 1 for some movie and then I say part 2. But people remember, if anytime you type up True World TV or Coloring Book TV, you have to click on the thing called videos. So if you click on videos, you will see all of the videos them that we release. You understand? Because whole heap of part 2 we drop and no access for them on the channel. You understand? So we don't have to just keep update and just check up the thing them, man. Because we are do them, man. You see it? So just big up on yourself and soon in our next movie. Big up.